So I mentioned that you say I like something. So do you know how to say I like in Chinese? Like we say 喜欢. Yes. Okay, here. So 喜欢. 喜欢 means like. And also there's an active way you say dislike or don't like. We just need to add 不 here. So 不喜欢. Yes. Okay, let me type you so you can remember them. Okay, here. 喜欢 means like and 不喜欢 means don't like. Okay, so how about 红色? Do you like it? 喜欢. Yes. And how about 黄色? Oh, yes, 喜欢 and 蓝色. Great, 喜欢 and 黑色. Great, 不喜欢 and 白色. Great, 喜欢. Yes. Okay, let's practice this one. We can try to pronounce 欢. 对 and 欢. Great, and 喜欢. Yes, and 不喜欢. Wow, yes, that's better. Okay, so how about your mom? 红色喜欢 or 不喜欢? You gonna try to guess? Yes, 喜欢 and 黄色喜欢 or 不喜欢? Great, and 蓝色喜欢 or 不喜欢? Yes, and 黑色. Oh, just like you, 不喜欢 and 白色. Great, 喜欢. Okay, let's think Chinese father. So, do you know how about him? How about 红色喜欢 or 不喜欢? Your dad. Yeah, 喜欢. And 黄色. Yes, and 蓝色. Great, and 黑色. And 白色. Yes, good. Just like you three are the same. You like all the same colors and don't like the same color. Okay, so this is 喜欢 and 不喜欢. Do you have any questions?
Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Leave your comments below to tell us what topics you want to learn next. Don't forget to click down below to subscribe to our channel. We have new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time. 再见。